Hey, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, NSAS protests rock Osun State. Let's check out details.
I release you. There you go.
Some NSAS protesters on Monday hit the streets of Osogbo, Osun State capital, to demand good governance in the country. This is despite the warning issued by President Muhammadu Buhari that the federal government will not allow a repeat of the NSAS protest that rocked the country in October. The protesters converged on Ogoluwa area of Osun State and marched to the State House of Assembly, where they demanded an audience with the leadership of the House. Led by one Emmanuel Adebisi, the demonstrators were seen with different placards. Some of the placards read, "We are not fighting for any political party," and "Bad judiciary in Nigeria," and "Fake judiciary panel of inquiry in Osun," "Unfreeze all the frozen accounts, we are Nigerian youth." The protesters called for the release of all detainees arrested during the demonstrations in October and also asked the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) to unfreeze the accounts of protesters. The first wave of the NSAS protest, which led to the disbandment of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SAS) of the police force, degenerated into chaos in different parts of the country. There was destruction of private and public facilities as well as lootings and killings. In Osun State, Just Right stores and some other private stores were looted and vandalized, while some buildings were razed by fire. The convoy of Gboyega Oyetola, the governor of Osun State, was also attacked while he was addressing the protesters at Olaya Junction in Osogbo. Oyetola was weeks away from the protest ground while some persons in the crowd hurled stones at his direction. One person died in the incident, while 2 cars in the governor's convoy were said to be damaged. Afterwards, the state government claimed that the attack was an attempt on the governor's life. Well, resuming the NSAS protest today in Osun State, the youth continued to call on the government to make sure that the demands were thoroughly looked into. Meanwhile, in Lagos State, police were seen deployed in the Lekki Tollgate area of Lagos as a result of reports that some protesters were said to be planning to stage the NSAS protest. According to the statement released by the police public relations officer, no protest was going to be allowed in Lagos State. We'll definitely bring you more stories in line with this. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.